Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Articles 188 to 199. Article 188, which punishes subsisting and altering trademarks, trade names, or service marks, and Article 189, which punishes unfair competition, fraudulent registration of trademark, trade name or service mark, fraudulent designation of origin, and false description have been repealed by Republic Act No. 8293, otherwise known as the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines. Article 190, Possession, Preparation, and Use of Prohibited Drugs and Maintenance of Opium Dens. Article 191, Keeper, Watchman, and Visitor of Opium Den. Article 192, Importation and Sale of Prohibited Drugs. Article 193, Illegal Possession of Opium Pipe or other paraphernalia for the use of any prohibited drug. And Article 194, Prescribing opium unnecessary for a patient. These provisions were repealed by Republic Act No. 6425, otherwise known as the Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972. Republic Act No. 9165, otherwise known as Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Acts of 2002, in turn repealed Republic Act 6425. Article 195, What acts are punishable in gambling? Article 196, Importation, Sale, and Possession of lottery tickets or advertisements. Article 197, Betting in sports contests. Article 198, Illegal betting on horse race, and Article 199, Illegal cockfighting. These provisions of the revised Penal Code were repealed by Presidential Decree No. 1602, prescribing stiffer penalties on illegal gambling. PD 1602 was modified by Republic Act No. 9287, or an act increasing the penalties for illegal numbers games. We will discuss in detail Republic Act No. 8293, otherwise known as the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, Republic Act No. 9165, otherwise known as the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Acts of 2002, and Republic Act 9287, an act increasing the penalties for illegal numbers games, on a separate video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.